Hello guys and welcome to TechRex tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make your CapCut video less laggy. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on the top screen, and then you will see this 3-line right there. So just click it and then you will see this preview quality. After that, you will see that my project is in the quality priority. If you want to make your CapCut less laggy, then all we have to do is to click this performance priority. So this will going to prioritize the smoothness of the CapCut software right there so that you won't have any problem, and of course the lag will be lessened. So once we do that, as you can see, we now have performance priority. And then the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the right screen and you will see this modify button. So just click it and then click this performance. Once you click that, you will see this proxy button. So all you have to do is to turn it on, and then let's put this resolution to 540p and then click save. So don't worry, this is only going to be the preview of your video. And if you go here on the export, as you can see, you can still, of course, export your video into 4K 1080p, and then of course the frame rate to 60 FPS. So this won't affect your video. This is only the preview of what you're going to see when you're editing the video, so that you won't have any lag when you do it. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechRex tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.